Hello everyone, I'm Ricky Garcia, and in this assignment we had to discuss about the learning progressions. Uh, I had to talk about number and operations fractions. Uh, this started in third grade and go all the way to fifth grade. Before that, in first and second grade, students start learning about number and operations in base 10, where they discuss about counting and adding and subtracting, and in second grade they start talking about place value and how they correlate, and then we start in third grade with number and operation fractions. Uh, Starting in third grade, students start discussing and learning about understanding fractions, finding doing line graphs, uh, and putting exactly how a fraction should be added into that line, as well as finding fraction equivalences, where students find the same fractions that are equivalent. We can see it here in the picture, that this is an equivalent fraction. 1/2 is as well as 3/6, as well as finding the common denominator. Students have to find that common denominator, uh, as well as graphing, showing pictures. We remember that we need to have different ways of strategies for students. We need to show them as well how which one is bigger, using the greater than and less than value, the same as, uh, and showing them pictures so they can understand and learn more about this fractions, comparing to fractions and all of those things. Then we jump into fourth grade, and in fourth grade the same. We have the same fractions, but now we are talking about adding, subtracting, multiplying fractions, decompose a fraction, and solve word problems. And we get into decimals. We start representing that 1/2 is the same as half or 0.5, as well as having multiplication in fractions. This is where our fourth grade starts with these assignments and these problems in fourth grade. Then we jump into fifth grade, and basically in the summary is same, adding and subtracting fractions, multiplying and dividing fractions, solving real problems such as how much chocolate will each person get if 3 people share a half a pound of chocolate equally. Those type of word problems. But in this fifth grade is where mixed numbers start going in fractions, where they have to add and subtract mixed numbers, changing them into fractions and all of those things, as well as multiplying whole numbers with fractions. That's where in fifth grade it starts. We start doing it and showing it to our students. Then we go into sixth grade, but in sixth grade it changes. Now it's called the number system, and they start talking about other areas of learning for students. And basically that's in a nutshell my summary about number and operation fractions through third to fifth grade. Thank you for listening.